Hey yo, YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Wavy Will and little baby Will, Wavy, baby down here. My daughter, baby Wavy. Back in full effect, man. New YouTube video. I just dropped the video yesterday. Coming back at y'all with another one. You know what I'm saying? I'm back on my grind. Daily videos coming. Today, I'll be showing y'all some of my latest products. What I'm using, how I'm using it. Show y'all this progress that I've been getting off of this epic brushing, epic combing, shower brushing, you know, the whole nine. So I got some of my current progress right here. I need some better lighting. I need some better lighting, man, but gotta take with what I got right now. And yeah, that's the progress. I recently gave myself a 4 against the grain, and then I went to the barbershop, got the taper in the lineup. You know what I'm saying? I'm not wolfing crazy heavy right now. It's a little baby wolf. So some of the products I've been using, you know what I'm saying, as far as oils, I've been using my Wild Growth hair oils. One's a light oil moisture and one's a hair oil. These two together take a wolf to the whole another level. I'm on the new level. Then a new product that I ain't really been seeing people talk about or use. Not trying to say I started it or nothing, but I've been using this Carol's Daughter Hair Milk 4-in-1 Comb-In Cream. I got it because I seen down here it says it's for curls, coils, kinks, and waves. I saw that, you know I had to get it. What else? I've been back on this real heavy as far as creams. That kids, like curl and butter cream. The truth. I've been dipping and dabbing in that. And then what I really been doing is going hard. Watch this. I've been going hard in the shower brushing. This is my shampoo. Eden's All Natural Shampoo. Peppermint and tea tree. The truth. And what I shower brush with, the Wave Enforcer 544. It's like a hard medium. This brush is the truth. This, in my opinion, I would recommend this brush for shower brushing. It's the best shower brush you can get. It's hands-on. The bristles are so close together. They cover more ground. And this is the best vertical brush I would recommend using for vertical brushing. You know what I'm saying? Vertical brushing just straight down like that. Compared to brushing like this, I would brush the same area straight down. You dig what I'm saying? So yeah, and what I've been doing, and it been helping me progress like crazy, and got my hair growing super fast. I take a shower every day, of course, and I just wash my hair every day and shower brush with this. The feeling is crazy. That peppermint opens up your scalp, lets the shampoo get deep down in the cuticles. It works wonders. Hair be silky smooth, soft and laid. That's what I've been really been going hard with in the shower as far as my shampoo. But like, I know most y'all ask me, I know I've been getting questions like, what you use for moisturizer? And I just showed y'all. It's these. I use these for moisture. I use my Kids Curling Cream for moisture. And I've been using this Carol's Daughter Hair Milk 4-in-1 Combing Cream. I might put a little something in my hair for y'all, show y'all how I do it. But that's what I've been using. And what else? Before I get rid of this video, I'm gonna show y'all. I got my Dream Deluxe. Finally got me one. I've been asking on the wave pages for one of these for the longest. How you get them? Where you get them? Because ain't none of my local hair stores had them until I went to one local hair store. Found me one. It's that Dream Deluxe. Dream Deluxe do-rag. Got the red on. You know, my normal compression is this with a boo-boo cap on top. And when I'm wolfing, it's this, a boo-boo cap and another stocking cap. So, triple this. So, yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and use this 4-in-1 hair milk real quick. I ain't wolfing too hard, so I don't need much. Texture of it. It's a cream. It eventually dissolves. It's an expensive product, I'll say that too. Carol's Daughter is gonna run you about $10 just for one product. But I mean, to me, it's worth it. It's the truth. It's fire. Make sure you follow directions. You know it said it's a combing cream. Got my Crest comb from Sally's. Matter of fact, I'm gonna use my other comb. Use my Goody comb. What, mama? Can't be doing that. Every time you see that I make a YouTube video, you start set tripping. Cause I'm talking to him and I ain't talking to you too much. Is that what it is? Huh? My dog don't like when I be on YouTube, y'all. Cause my attention ain't focused on her. It's focused on this video. Give me a second. Now that I comb that in, take my medium OG Diane 8119. Hit it with some brushwork. I know I'm late on my Torino Pros. I ain't ordered them yet, but I'm about to sometime this week. Give me a little Right side coming along much better. Brush and comb. And my last thing I'm gonna show you is how I do my do-rag. Wide strings on it, so that's always a plus. I'll let one string hang over the shoulder. Take my other string, stretch it out. Like that. Bring him around town like SpongeBob said. And one thing that I always have a problem with is the fact I got a big head. And what I mean by that is these strings, bring my second strap around, make sure it's wide or wide or whatever you call it, stretch it out. Bring him around. Now this is where it gets difficult because I got a big head. The strings in the back aren't long as I thought, so sometimes I have a little difficult tying it. And if not, which I'm sure I ain't gotta show you how to tie not your do-rag, but there are some slow ones. Hit it like that. Pull that through. Thought I had it. Yeah, man, this the only thing on. Like, you know, plus I got the fat fingers. So sometimes my fingers don't want to let me just push it through. Then what I do, my cape, you got multiple type of people. You got some that let the cape hang. You got some that tie it in a ponytail. You got some that roll it up and tuck it into the strings. Me, I take mine. Roll mine. Pull it down on it. Then I take it. Do-rag. But I am about to unrag and get a brush session in, so yeah. That's how I brush. That's how I comb. Those are the products I've been currently using. And yeah. Showed you my angles. You see my progress. Like I said, if a quick tip, man, to try to break forks as quick as possible. Shower brush every day for at least a week, maybe even 2. Then after that, you can go back to your regular schedule programming of washing, you know, once or twice a week, 3 times a week, once a week, however you wash your hair. But you know, of course, when your hair is wet, that's the easiest way to, you know, move a fork or move your hair into any pattern or way you want it to go. So that's my video for today. It's your boy Wavy TJL Will signing out. I'll be back with another video sometime this week. Holla at your dog.